Alright guys, welcome back to Nico Brothers. I'm Mike.
And I'm Ivan.
And today we got a new build, a Jaguar.
A Jaguar F-pace. It's a really cool car. It's a really cool SUV, and it's actually for my sister-in-law. They want an SUV, and we found this for them, and I think it's gonna be a great build for you guys to watch, because it's a really rare car. It's a really cool car, and it's got a little bit of damage, not too bad, and most likely he's gonna help me with it too.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna get it, get some work done on it. But check it out, guys. As you guys can see, we got a good fender. The headlight was good. We already took it apart a little bit to start ordering parts and looking at it. The hood is definitely bad, as you guys can see. So we ordered a hood, we ordered a bumper, we ordered a couple little pieces here, headlight, suspension, wheel. Not that much damage, The
engine looks good, so that's important.
Radiator, all that's really good. Looks like the fuse box, we're gonna have to fix that. Or we ordered another fuse box, and it should be all good. But check it out, guys. Look at these wheels. Got aftermarket wheels on it.
Oh yeah.
20-inch.
Those look clean.
And this is an all-wheel drive, so we're gonna have to try to find the same wheel or something like that. Check out this interior. We got our blown airbag right here. Not too bad. We'll replace that. The seat belts were blown. We already took them out. We're gonna replace that. We already started ordering parts, guys. Check it out.
Yeah, got the old bumper in there.
But I think this car looks really good.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. F-pace. All-wheel drive. I think it's turbo?
Yeah, I think so. 3.5 turbo? Yeah. Maybe.
But it's a very, very really cool little SUV. A little slick. So we're ready to do frame on it. So we're gonna put on the frame machine. Most of the bumper came in already, the hood, the fender, the suspension, and the headlights. So we can start doing the framework. After the framework, we're gonna fix a couple little dings on it. We're gonna fix this little part right here. The hood's gonna be new, and then for some reason the other side's all scratched up. So most likely we just have to paint this side. As you guys can see, I don't know, you can see all the little scratches and everything in it. And then this fender bowed out a little bit, so we're gonna fix that. So most likely I don't know if we're gonna do a full paint job on it or a blend just on the whole side to make it look good, because it's red, and red's kind of hard to match. But there's definitely enough work for us to do, and we're gonna try and knock this out pretty quick.
Alright guys, so we got a lot of parts in. Let's just go over it. There's our headlight. We've got our fuse box. Basically just need the casing. Looked like all the fuses are okay on there, so that's good. Just gotta figure out how to swap that back, get it all connected.
Got the OEM radiator support. We're gonna have to paint that red.
Oh yeah, make it look original. And over here we got
a used bumper.
Yep.
We got a really good deal on it. Barely any scratches on it, nothing like that.
Why not try to get a good deal? You go for it. But
and then there's a little aluminum bracket that we had to get from the dealer too.
That's really fancy. Look at that thing.
And it just bolts right in.
Man, that's nice.
So
yeah, that'd be good. Get that going on there. Look at this fender though. From the dealer. Couldn't find anywhere else. So I mean,
original parts, right?
Yeah, OEM for sure.
Jaguar's hard to find parts, guys.
It is.
And then this big box is the hood. We're gonna open it a little bit later once we're ready for it.
But as well, this thing's OEM from the dealership.
Hopefully no nicks, no scratches.
Yeah, hopefully. I mean,
probably gonna be aluminum too.
Yeah.
Because the fender's aluminum, right, Michael?
Pretty sure.
How much does it weigh?
Wow. Maybe like 3 pounds, not even.
Heck yeah.
Well, it's nice though. So a lot of parts, work to do. Let's get it together.
All right, Michael, I think this time you're gonna do the framework.
What?
I'm just gonna go do something else. And just knock it out really quick.
Nah, you don't think I can do it, can't do it.
I don't believe you can do it. No, I believe you can do it.
No,
I'll be right back, okay? What? Michael, what are you doing?
Boom. There it is.
Did you actually do this?
It's done, ain't it? That's all that matters.
Dang. Let's check it out.
That's
What
good.
did we have to do to it?
I mean, the left side had to be pulled out a little bit, Bondoed right there. Still got the fuse box, but pretty good.
Wow, you pulled it out really nicely.
For aluminum, that's really good, yeah.
All right, pretty sweet. You just gotta put some Bondo on it and we're almost done. Ready for paint, right?
Get in there.
Oh, the gap lines look sweet.
Good job.
The door's gonna need a little bit of filler on it. Oh, wow. You did great work, Michael. Can't believe you just did that so quick.
Yeah, we're gonna go for that.
Alright guys, let's put some Bondo on this thing. We're gonna take it down and then we're gonna paint underneath the hood and jam out the fender and upper radiator support. So let's get to it. Alright guys, check it out. We got it all painted. Turned out sweet. I'm super happy about it. Even though red took a lot of coats, probably like 5-6 coats to cover really good. But it turned out sweet. We're gonna let it sit for a couple days and then we'll start putting it back together.
Nice. Looks good. It's better than OEM.
Pretty much, you know, blend the whole side, just get rid of the scratches and everything, and then we blend it through, so it's gonna be nice and good. But yeah, once we put it together, it's gonna be super sweet. Michael, you already done?
Oh yeah, buddy.
You did the frame and you put it together that quick?
Boom, painted, looks good, gaps look nice.
Check it out, what'd you do? Look at that, you put the headlight in, the grill.
Oh
This
yeah.
thing looks sweet.
Oh yeah, no problem.
Still missing some parts though. Where's your lift, the front lift?
Coming.
Coming?
Didn't go with the original bumper, but it's coming.
And what about the wheel? Did you order the wheel?
Hard to find, honestly, but working on it.
What about airbags? Did you do airbags yet?
Just needs a good wash, Ivan. Looks good from the outside.
Heck yeah. Keep washing it, Michael. Look at that, guys. Got it painted, got it put together. Everything went back together really nice and easy. gonna wash it up really quick.
Oh yeah.
Alright, Mike, just don't scratch it. Everybody says that brush scratches it.
No, they haven't seen my brush. Show my brush.
But look how clean this brush is.
Like, the brush is underneath. I put a sponge on the brush. So it's just a sponge. We don't drop this. We don't use it on wheels. This is only for clean cars.
So no scratching.
No scratching, no.
Sweet. Let's see this, Michael. Wow, Michael. Should wash my F-1000 after this.
Yeah.
You're doing a good job. What did you guys think about this build? Was it too quick? Should we have showed more of how we were doing it?
I want to get it down.
Just like that. One episode, start to finish, right, Michael? Just like the boat rebuild?
Yep.
Look at that.
Alright guys, so that's a wrap for the Jaguar. Basically got it all together, waiting for some parts on the inside. Airbag module still getting reprogrammed. But honestly, it's looking really good. It's ready to go. Happy how it turned out. Basically got it all wrapped up. So let's go inside the office. Let's do a giveaway winner. Alright guys, we're back inside. Like I said, that's a wrap on the Jaguar. It was kind of tricky, honestly. That one had a lot of parts that were hard to find. Not a lot of places had Jaguar parts. Mainly had to go to the dealership. Prices are up there. It was a struggle for sure, but honestly at the end it's a nice solid car, so you get what you paid for at the end. Alright, so we loaded a boat video. We have 712 comments. Since we only have one part of that, so I think it'd be good to find the winners. Comments from there for our Jaguar. Alright, let's find our first winner. Alright, Kim. Not bad. Since we didn't ever do the requirements for this winner, so we're gonna go ahead and give it to you. So let us know what you want. We got a Raptor sign, S2000 sign. You can make a custom boat sign if you want, or a Jag sign. Just let us know what you want. Let's find our second winner. All right, another Kim Santiago. You won as well. Comment number 708. Just watch previous episodes on buying Hellcat, and you know what I mean. Yeah, for sure. We got that boat. There's a little drama behind that, but it's all good. It's part of life. We take it, no problem. Congrats, you won as well. Go ahead and email us your information. Try to get out to you as well. Let's find our last winner. Let's see the most liked recent comment. I can't pronounce your name, I'm sorry. But yeah, you know, summer, right? It's a boat wagon thing. I mean, everybody had a boat, you know, it was like 100 degrees outside, so it was a thing going on. Boats are nice. But you win as well. If you could go ahead and email us, we'll try to get that sign out to you. Stay tuned, guys. We got more builds. Still got that Mustang. I got to get together. Just been busy with summer break and everything, but we're gonna keep going.